The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, until 1 o'clock a.m. At 11:06 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from 14 nautical miles north of Middle River to Riviera Beach, moving east at 15 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots, locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. This storm is producing frequent lightning. Stay below deck, if possible, and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.
Is producing frequent lightning. Stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.